today in this video we'll show you how you can make honey lemon chicken stir fry. First we have a 1/4 cup of honey, a half a lemon, and we're just going to squeeze the juice into the cup. There you go. Next we're going to take the same lemon and we're just going to cut some of the lemon peel for the sauce. Okay, we're going to take this and put it in the sauce. And we're going to stir them all together. So we're going to add around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And we're going to stir it all together. We're set with the sauce. And now we're going to marinate the chicken and cut it up. We're going to cut the chicken into slices. We have 2 chicken breasts here. We want to cut them into thin slices so that it cooks faster in the pan. Okay, we have the 2 white chicken breasts all sliced up. Now we're going to marinate them. The first thing we'll add is salt after we spread them all out. Garlic powder. Onion powder, and some white pepper. Just a dash of it. And we're going to flip it over. Some garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, and some sea salt. And that's it. Okay, we have the pan heated, and the first thing we'll do is we're going to add some oil to the pan. We're going to get that all nicely even all around the pan. There you go. Now we're going to add the sliced chicken. We're going to turn the chicken around, flip them. Make sure to cook the chicken thoroughly on high heat. Okay, now we're going to add the sauce. We're going to turn the heat on medium. Okay, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. See, the cornstarch is thickening it up. It's not as watery anymore. Lastly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. There you go. And we're done. And this is how you can make honey lemon chicken stir fry. Give it a try, it's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.